quite honestly, it allows me to work more on like internal corporate organization. As a new company, there's files that have been saved in different places. And I'll freely admit that, like when I first started and it was just me, I had a file structure. Now that we're onboarding more people and now that we have more projects, we need to get a bit more refined. And, the 30 seconds or 45 seconds that it takes to find something that's not where it should be, if you compound that, it gets a little out of hand. So with that time back, I typically use it for business development efforts. I use it to communicate and maybe write a bit more comprehensive on emails so that there's better communication between stakeholders on projects. I also help to organize my own company, do bookkeeping. So I'm saving on additional. I shouldn't say unrequired personnel, but before I get to the level where we're at a scale in which I can't do my own bookkeeping and receipt management, I want to try to keep that as in-house as possible. Not necessarily because I don't want to hire, but because I want to be as protective of the people that I hire as possible, because I just don't want to have to get too bloated and then have to let people go, because I've had to do that through my career as a W-2, and it hurts my heart every time. I've had it happen to me, and it's like the worst experience ever to loved ones of mine. And so I consider it like a major sign of trust to offer someone a position of employment. And I will fight thick and thin to make sure that that doesn't have to change, barring performance related and whatever. But like, I don't want to mismanage my company in a way that will allow for me to have to make those kinds of decisions unless absolutely necessary.